Wait. Yo, how much are you doing this for?
20 bills.
What?
Matt, how much are you throwing?
It's on, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, if you fail, you ain't getting no money. Yo, he said you're the brokest. Yo, you really doing this for $20? He's gonna eat this whole tissue box. That's crazy. And the box. And the box. The paper. And this nigga is wildin'. Yo, Joe, you doing this for $20, man? Yo, state your name too. State your name. State your name.
You want some water? Somebody go get him some water.
Yo, Mac, go get him some water. Hurry up. Give me your phone. I'll hold it. He's about to go in on the cardboard. Yo, he's gonna die. Yo, Woods, get water. Woods.
I can't find it.
Woods, get any water.
Find the cup.
Yo, Woods, yo, go get water. Yo, get the fuck out of here.
Yo, he's in the prison.
What?
I'm trying to come out.
He needs water. Yo, Woods, get water.
Don't even throw up. Don't even
Yeah. Yo, grab him the garbage can. Grab him the garbage can. Grab him the garbage can. On the kitchen. On the kitchen. What you doing? Yo, no way you're doing this right now for 20 bills, son.
Gallon of milk, yo. Yo, spit it out. Spit it out. You get a free check. You get a check.
Oh, you get a chance.
Oh, because remember the gallon of milk.
I can do that.
The gallon
of milk.
Yeah, exactly. I gotta unload that.
Gallon of milk. Yo, your mom's gonna be dead.
No, we're gonna go buy them.
You gonna buy gallon of
No,
milk?
if you buy a gallon of milk, then we'll pay you all the money, right?
Oh, you better invest with Woods and tell him you give him $20.
How about this? I know I can drink the gallon of milk, so if you guys pay me, I'll give you the money for the milk. You guys buy the milk, though. I can drink a whole gallon of milk.
Yeah, it has to be in less than a minute. Didn't they say less than a minute?
Nah.